We are here in Italy again, but this time with Shayla. And we're gonna hit a few new places we didn't go to before, so come with us, let's go. Every street that you look down is truly amazing and beautiful. This is the beautiful Riccardi Medici Palace. And because of our family history and watching the series Medici on TV, we were super excited to get to tour this. Now, quick side note, we bought the Firenze card online before coming. After doing the math, the cost of the card is approximately the same price as visiting 3 museums. We ended up visiting 5, so it was well worth it. One card can cover entry for 1 adult and 1 minor up to 60 different museums for 3 days. And they even have a restart program where they'll add 3 more days at the end. Visit forensicard.it for more info. No, I didn't get paid to say this. Yes, I wish I did though. Another thing I booked online prior to coming was this Ciao Florence pizza and gelato cooking class. It was super fun and a great way to make our trip a more personalized experience. Mountains.
Oh, that's my favorite. That's all I get.
And my mom told me since I was a kid, oh son, life is already hard. Why you choose lemon? But are the best.
Yeah.
And
Just finished our pizzas.
Johnny Depp. I don't remember seeing this.
Only 233 steps to the top of the tower of Palazzo Vecchio. You must make reservations at the visitor center if you have the Firenze card, but trust me, well worth it. The view is truly magnificent. And I would run up and down the stairs all day just to see it again.
That's the year of 1695, the construction of this tower.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
You
The
can
S is
still
the 5,
see.
and then
Yeah,
that's
that's amazing.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Look at the top of those pillars too. There's the tower we went up. Was it good? Is it rich? Creamy? Delicious?
So, and then I got your text after to say,
Yeah.
This was
now.
The gentlemen's. So ladies are not allowed unless they're escorted. So I will take you. Don't worry.
What a gentleman you are. Paintings, frescoes, it's like every little arch.
And bodies in the walls.
There's the organ. That's the Palazzo Vecchio that we went. Thanks for watching Journey of Three. Ciao for now.
Breakfast. I know it's not the best because you are drinking wine.
Santa Maria.